Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna show you how to remove the background or select subject. Stay with me in the rest of the video. I remove the background in two ways. First way, I create a project, go to layers and click on like mark to remove the like mark. Before that, click on and make sure it's on essential. Now select the layer and go down in properties panel. There are two options in quick actions. Click on remove background and you can see the background remove. It's very basic and maybe has some mistakes. The second way is let me open another picture. Okay, choose object selection tool and click on select and mask. If you see your picture like this, it's for transparency. You can play with this flasher and bit by bit see the picture. Click on select subject and select the subject. It's select the subject very well. Okay, let me show you how these tools work. The first tool has a positive and negative form. If it's negative and I click on an area, it removes parts around here that has the same color with AI. For example, you can see what did it do. And if it's positive, it does the same job as that one, but it extends. If I want to select a part of her sweater, I choose object selection tool and with lasso or rectangle, select the area I have in my mind. These tools help you to increases or decreases area that has selected. If it's positive, it increases, and if it's negative, it decreases. And lastly, to like lasso, select area that you want. Okay, in this panel there are some views like overlayer and I don't know, black and white. In overlayer you can choose a color for the background in this view, and there are many views, I don't know, black and white and others. If radius increases, it's unselect pixels around the subject. You can see what did it do. The smooth selects some parts around the subject bit by bit, like here. Feather fades around the selection. Contrast saturate the pixels they are in corner of subject, like here. And shift age increases or decreases area around the subject, like her hair. There's another option, it's refine hair. It selects hair that hasn't selected with AI. It often doesn't work very well, like now. Go down on properties, click on output setting and set the output to new layer and layer mask. It creates another layer for you. I think it's the best output. Now you can click on OK, and it selects object and remove background. Very well. Goodbye guys.